My name is Malek from Knack Training, and in today's Everyday Office video, I'm going to show how to create a chart with a dynamic reference. Now, in the old days, when we wanted a chart that would grow and shrink with our set of data, we'd have to go through a very complex process. To give you an example of why this is, let's click on this original data over here on the left, go to the Insert tab over here, and I'll just go ahead and add maybe a line chart, for example. Okay, so here's a line chart representing this first set of data on the left. The problem is that when we go to the option at the top of our screen for Select Data, you'll notice that Select Data says that it should go from A1 through B12, and it's just locked into an absolute reference on those cells. And for that reason, if I go in here and I type in 112.17, and I type in $6,500, for example, you can see that that chart does not increase in size to accommodate the next record. However, if you click onto the original source data, let's do this over here on the right-hand side, and you turn it into what Microsoft calls a table. You can do this by going to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and choosing the button third from the left called Table, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-T, whichever you prefer to work with. You can click on Table here and click OK. Now, this has converted itself from a normal flat set of cells into a named range, specifically a type of named range called a table, which is dynamic in nature. You can watch that dynamic nature happen by me going to the bottom here, typing in 112.17, and you can watch this table. Watch as I hit tab here and it grows. You can see there it accommodates the next row down. I type in $6,500, and then I type in 113.17, and it grows down, and I type in $3,400, etc. So because of this, when I click onto the table, and I use that Insert tab, and use the, let's say, line chart again, this time, when I go to 113.2017 and I type in 114.2017 and type in that I paid $5,500, you can see that next entry gets tacked on, and I can just keep going from there almost indefinitely. And each of those new entries automatically gets tacked on to the end. Now, as we look forward in the next video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use the spinner button to decide exactly what to accommodate in our chart, but we'll see that in tomorrow's video.